Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses product rule. So the problem is y is equal to 3x times the quantity 5x cubed plus 4x. So let's derive it. Let's copy the first term, which is 3x, then derive the second term, 5x cubed, that would be 15x squared, plus 4x, that is 4. Plus, let's copy the second term, 5x cubed plus 4x. Oops. Then let's derive the second term. I mean the first term. 3x, that is, if we derive it, that is 3. Simplifying it further, let's distribute 3x here and 3 here. 3x times 15x squared, that is 45x cubed. 3x times 4, that is 12x. 3 times 5x cubed, that is 15x cubed. 3 times 4x, that is 12x. Then we can combine like terms here. 45x cubed plus 15x cubed, that is 60x cubed. 12x plus 12x, that is 24x. So that's the final answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today, and see you again next time.